Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 3 students. I hope you all are fine. Now open your science book, page number 63. First we recite a dua, then we will start our lesson. Rabbi zidni ilma. ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा. Now we start our new chapter, force. In our daily life, we often use our muscles to pull or push things. We pull up a glass of milk to get it to our mouth. We push an object to move in a particular direction, etc. We come to realize that either a pull or push is required to move an object. So, force is a push or pull on an object. Force can be produced by people, animals, and machines. We use force to walk, to lift any object, to throw anything, to move any object from its place, etc. In short, force is there in every activity we do. The wind and flowing water can also act as forces. This door is being closed by applying push force. The boat is moving due to the force of the wind. Now we discuss briefly about what is force. Force are pushes and pulls. For example, we pedal a cycle and cycle moves forward. Two teams pulling the rope in the game of tug of war. We pull to open the door of our room. When you write, you exert a force on your pen or pencil because you push or pull it across the paper. Now we will move to our next topic. What can a force do? Force can cause objects to change shape. We can squeeze a plastic water bottle or soft drink can. Force applied changes its shape and size. Forces change the way things move. Forces can cause objects to speed up. Forces can also cause objects to slow down. For example, when we push harder to moving toy car, its speed increases. Similarly, we can apply force in an opposite direction of the motion to slow down the speed of the toy car. Therefore, we can say that force changes the speed of an object. Forces can cause objects to move in a new direction. For example, in game of badminton, when player hit the shuttlecock back to the player on the opposite side, his force changes the direction of shuttlecock. A moving car changes its direction when force is applied on its steering wheel so as to turn it. In game of football, player changes the direction of moving football by hitting the ball by his foot at an angle. Now we will discuss about gravitational force, an invisible force called gravity. Gravity pulls everything down towards the earth. For example, when we throw a ball up in the sky, it comes down, and when we jump, we come back on earth. This is why when something goes, it falls downward. Now we will discuss about our topic, friction. Friction is the force present when two surfaces, things, rub together. It slows down moving objects. For example, when we slide pencil across the surface of a desk, then the desk exerts a friction force in the opposite direction, and pencils slow down and finally stop sliding. Friction enables us to walk without falling. Apply brake in our cars, bicycles, makes the movement possible on road. So, today we discussed what is force, what can a force do, gravity and friction. Inshallah, we will meet you in next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.